You all have been trying to make profitable trades within the trading platform, and like I've always been telling you, it's not about you making a profitable trades once. It is about how you are consistent in it. Okay, are you always making this profit on daily basis? Okay, so if you are willing to make profit all the time using, within this particular platform, then you need to watch this video to the end, because right here in this video I will share with you how we have been doing it with my team, and of course you will be able to see how easy it is for you to make $200 and above just going into the market on daily basis. I will share with you how you can do so, okay, using the same strategy, everything we are doing right here, the same trading tool. That is what we will be using in this video. It is very easy to do. You will understand every part of it in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and do your own personal you should do your own personal research. You should be able to practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be checking out the assets one after the other. You get to see how I analyze and how you can trade successfully. Like I've always been telling you, this is a trend trading asset, so the only thing you should focus on majorly is the trend, okay, which is very, very important right there. If you should notice, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, and that is why you are seeing the red flag. So if you had been using this trading tool, then it will have been very easy for you to milk the market right from the beginning of the trend, which is somewhere here, and of course you would have made a lot of profit with all this. However, let's see what the market is giving to us right now. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. The name of the trading tool I'm using is called the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and of course it is a custom made indicator, and it's so unique, so powerful, and so beautiful. This has actually got into a support zone, okay, which is a major one, and it has not been able to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there. That is why you see it spiking and spiking up, and as it continues, it will definitely get to this region at this moment, okay, and of course if it breaks out above this, then definitely it will get to this point. Okay, so this should be your next TP, okay, and if it breaks out from there, okay, then we should expect it to get to here. Okay, so these are some strategies point whereby you can take your TPs. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still on buy trend at the moment, and of course it will get to all these regions if there are breakouts at one level or the other. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you should take note of that and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. You can see it is still the same trading tool I'm using. Okay, so this is very, very important. This actually got to the support zone around there and tried to go back on uptrend, but it has not been able to break out above this resistance zone, so it had a pullback and played around there within this region. So we need it to break out above this resistance zone, okay, and once it breaks out above it, then definitely it will get to this region. Okay, let me see, it will get to this region, okay, and of course if it breaks out above that, then we expect it to get to the last part, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so you guys should take note of that. Okay, the movement is not that smooth, but it's still going on very well. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for a very long time, and after getting to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there. So it's picked up from there and started buying. That is why you are seeing this yellow flag, and of course it got to this resistance zone and it was unable to break out above it, so it's having a pullback at the moment. So the pullback is most likely to get to this particular support zone, but if it breaks out from there, then you should expect it to get to this last part. Okay, but if it does not break out from here, then it should go back up and see if it can break out from this resistance zone, and if it breaks out from that resistance zone, then we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the market right away. Let's move on. Okay, well, we will be stopping right here. This is crash 500. Okay, crash 500 had been on uptrend starting from this support zone. You can see it got to the support zone at this point, was unable to break out from there, so it had a pullback, went back, came back down to see if it would be able to break out from this support zone, still unable to break out from there, and this time around it went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and you can see the yellow flag, which signifies that the market is fully on uptrend. So it kept on buying till it got to the resistance zone. Okay, so it has gotten to this region, it has not been able to break out from there, so it will be going back on downtrend. You can see the red flag, which signifies that the market is going on downtrend. So this is going to be selling for long, and we expect it to get to this region, and of course if it breaks out from there, then it should get to somewhere here, somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so if it breaks out from there, definitely it should get here. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then it should get to the last part, which is the support zone, and that is how it works. So this is how you can always milk the market successfully. If you want to learn more on how to milk this market, then you should stay tuned on the channel and watch more of my videos. Then of course you can also join the Telegram channel, where we do more analysis right from there, so that you can always be in profit. And you can also get some of my one of my trading tools, either this particular one called the Trend Milker trading tools, or probably you can go ahead and get this, okay, which is called the Smart Indicator. Okay, so all these trading tools will help you to analyze better and milk the market successfully. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.